The title of my poem is My Future by XAVIER'S. My future. My future sounds like it's so far away, but it gets closer to me each and every day. I'm not sure on what I truly want to be. Everyone around is just confusing me. I promised my family and friends I will pursue a career, but I'm always distracted by my peers. The things that say seem to always get to me, but in the future they will eventually see. They'll see that my hard work will pay off. They'll be begging me for help on my paid days off. I'm smart, but at times I refrain to use my brain. If I don't decide now, I'll go insane. As I'm writing, I'm thinking about my future life. Whether someday the man of my dreams will call me his wife. So I'd better make up my mind and prepare for my future. Thank you.